Hello guys and welcome to the new episode. Check out this first clip where one of the bikers from the group passed the pickup truck. The driver started tailgating, brake checking and swerving all over the road. It looks like he was trying to intentionally run over the bikers.
Don't be f***ing with people like that. He was trying to kill you, man.
That couldn't catch me.
Hey, I got his plate and shit on camera. I'm about to send it to his company.
In traffic, everything can change in the matter of the seconds, as you will see in the next few clips. That's why you need to be aware at all times. Van driver made mistake while trying to turn left. He didn't check and probably didn't have clear sight on oncoming traffic, and unfortunately he caused the accident. This biker turned his bike on and started moving when he heard somebody yelling from the building nearby. Angry man was claiming that his bike was too loud. Check out what happened next.
It's like, don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do. I'm not revving it loud. I'm revving it up to 2,000 RPM. Don't come out the window telling me what to do. Close your window.
Come down, I'll come to you.
Okay. I revved it up to 2k RPM and he's screaming out the window at me. What's your problem then? Just to let you know, I recorded that. Okay, well, why are you screaming your head off out the window at me, telling me to be quiet because I revved it twice?
Yeah, you do not. If you want to rev your engine, rev your engine.
No, don't swear at me, you
Hey,
Don't swear at me, you I'm recording this.
you can record anything.
Stay the away from me.
Okay, I'm staying away from you.
Well, yeah, stay away from me, bruv.
Don't touch me.
I'm calling the police on you.
I have to control him then.
Okay, then don't swing out the window to me then.
Okay.
Act like a man.
Take it easy. Okay, take it easy.
Don't know scream you what you kicked me for. I'm phoning the police now. All on camera, mate. You booted me. You come up to me and booted me.
Listen,
Have fun in prison. Have fun in the cells.
I live here.
I don't give a
You have a child. I do have a child. You have your child.
Did I read it out loud?
You did.
No, I didn't. I'm phoning the police, mate. You just attacked me. You, I pushed you away. It's on camera. 4K, baby. I pushed you because you went up to me. You.
No.
Police, please.
Police, thank you.
Thanks. You're a. You come down. I pushed you away from me because you come up to me, and then you booted me. You.
Hello.
Hello, police, please. I've just been assaulted by some man.
Whereabouts are you?
Bryant Street, Prospect Row.
Where, sorry?
Prospect Row in Chatham. You need to control yourself.
What road is it you're on?
Prospect Row in Chatham. Mike Echo 4-5, Quebec uniform, yeah.
A little backstory for this clip. This biker had 2 failed attempted thefts of his bike, and both of the times he reported it to police. He believes that this is revenge targeted attack, for which unfortunately nobody was arrested. Nice day of riding turned into 2 wrecks, in which luckily nobody was harmed, but both of the bikes were totaled.
Who wrecked?
I hot-sided the dude, he was 15 foot in the air and the bike fucking landed right up, hit the ground, went over top of his.
Oh my god.
Like it was bad, bro.
You alright, buddy?
Yeah. It's a little hard, bro.
Well, let's get the bike over here. Let's get it over here out of the way.
Yeah, the front brake's shot.
Yeah.
Locked out.
Yo, the clutch is gone. You gotta put that in.
Look at his battery.
Oh yeah, it did.
You need a new battery?
Dude, free battery. Bro, your brake.
Come on, let's get it pushed over here out of the road.
Bro, my dad used to
Ah, he'd be happy that you're alive.
Yeah, I'm good.
Dude, that looks painful as
Dude, you hit that goddamn bait with so hard, buddy.
yeah, his back brakes are
He
locked
wasn't
up.
country.
I'm pretty far his bike hit him. That was close.
Yeah. I'm not gonna do sketchy shit. It's been a good day. What's going on?
Yeah. I think I'm good on riding today, guys. I might sit down the rest of the day. What about y'all? I'm chilling. My bike's still in one piece. I think I'm good today. Something's wrong.
Why'd you stop in the middle of the junction? But there's no damage or anything, but if you want to check it, I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
Sorry, hope you have a nice day. Sorry.
What the f are you doing, man? Please check your mirror, dude. No, you apologize. It's okay, man. Just be careful, yeah?
This biker recorded his friend going down in front of him. They had interesting conversation about it. Take a look.
Evet. İyi misin?
Motoru kaldırırsa motoru.
Ettirdim, sakin ol. Motorda bir şey yok. Allah. Acıyor mu? Kalkabiliyor mu? Kalkma, dur, uzat şu ayağını.
Yok, bacaklarımda hiçbir şey yok.
Belin
Ama
acı.
hafif acıttım, o kadar. Bacaklarımda bir şey yok yani. Motoru kaldırsana.
Kalkık oğlum.
Ne?
Yok oğlum, kalkık motor.
Ayakta mı?
Ayakta mı?
Sen mi kaldırdın?
Evet.
Bir şey var mı motorda?
Yok, bir şey yok. Koruma demirinin azıcık şey olmuş, o kadar. Aha. Merak etme. Sende bir şey var mı? Sende de bir şey yok. Araba yüzünden tedirgin oldun çünkü. Kanka yoktu da işte. İster istemez. Bakışı da kaçırdın.
Motor iyiyim ya.
Sen iyi misin? Amına koyayım.
Kanka motor 40 bin lira oğlum.
Bir şey yok motorda.
Vallahi.
You can't sit there. What are you doing? You don't sit. I sit.
Let's go! First ride on the TBI. Wow! It's... Whoa! Ah! Me! Me! Ah! Ah, my shoulder! Ah!
pasó, amigo? ¿Lo chocaron? ¿Te chocaste?
¿Cómo se va a cruzar, amigo? Mira cómo me ha hecho.
¿Te estabas viniendo por este carril?
Cruzando está por atrás mío.
Ah, por atrás se cruzó. Uy, le dio fuerte, ¿no? ¿Todo bien, pero lo demás, no?
Sí, todo bien. Gracias.
Listo, trae bien.
Oh my gosh. Come on! Come on!
This biker got rear-ended hard while waiting for his turn on roundabout. Luckily, he was not injured.